Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to update Google Play Store on Android, and it's pretty easy. So if you see any error message while updating or installing any app in your Google Play Store, that may be because you're using the old version of Play Store. So you just need to update the version manually, and today I'm going to show the process. So in first tab, go to your Play Store and tap on your profile picture at the right bottom corner and select the option settings. In the last option, you can see About, and you just need to tap on here. And here you can see the option Play Store version, and in here write down Update Play Store. So if you see any update in your Play Store, you just need to update the version, and that's it. So hope this video find to help you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections, and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.